Hi, welcome to the Carolina East Laboratory. I'm Jennifer Lewis, Laboratory Director.
I'm Mallory Kennedy, Laboratory Manager.
And I'm Jessica Holder, Medical Technologist.
So what we're going to do today is Jessica is going to walk us through the proper donning of the PPE and how we set up all of our samples for COVID testing. So Jess is first putting on her paper lab coat. Okay, so once Jess has that completely buttoned, she's now going to put on her face shield that will protect her from any sort of splattering or aerosols. And then her last step is that she's going to put on elbow length gloves to protect her forearms from anything inside of the biological safety cabinet. Once Jess has on her PPE, she is now ready to set up testing. So she's going to make sure she has all of her supplies in the cabinet. Jess is lowering the door on her safety cabinet to make sure it's at the proper height to allow for proper airflow. Now what Jess is doing is she's preparing all of her labels to fit properly onto the outside of the cartridge. After she's done doing that, she will place the label on the cartridge to make sure they're all properly identified. Next, Jess will take her label and match it up with her specimen to make sure two patient identifiers match for positive identification. All of the samples are a nasopharyngeal swab placed down in viral transport media to preserve the virus. She pops the top on the cartridge, then uses the pipette and sucks up a certain amount of viral transport media. After she does that, she will then place the liquid into a hole inside of the cartridge. Now that Jess is done setting up her test, she is going to first remove her gloves. And now we are going to go place the test on the instrument. This is our Cepheid Gene Expert Infinity. It's our PCR instrument. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, and what it does is it takes the target and it multiplies the DNA, and then it uses certain thresholds to tell you if it's a negative or a positive. So Jess is now scanning her cartridge and scanning her patient label, and then she is loading the cartridge into the instrument. And the instrument has a mechanical arm that moves over and picks up the cartridge and puts it into the module. Once the cartridge enters the module, it takes 30 minutes to get a positive result and about 45 for a negative result.